The film Shaitan's concept was actually born in Hollywood. The renowned Hollywood Indian producer Ashok Amritraj had decided to make a complete Hollywood film based on this subject, and was even supposed to do the honors for the writer-director who had won the reality show Gateway. However, Ashok Amritraj, for reasons unknown, withdrew at the last minute, and thus Bijoy Nambiar, the winning contestant with his English script, was left in the lurch. Bijoy, the director, was determined to make his film a reality. His perseverance finally paid off, and for years he worked on the story and finally rewrote it in Hindi and readied it with Indian references for the masses here. So after 2 years, the film is now being produced by Anurag Kashyap and stars Kalki Koechlin. The film is about teenage agony and will also feature Rajiv Khandelwal's return to the big screen. Kalki plays the role of a spoilt brat. The other stars are Shiv Pandit, Gulshan Devaiya and Kirti Kulhari. If you're not living on the edge, you're taking up too much space. The mantra that defines the youth of today. But what happens when the edge gives away? Shaitan is the story of 5 youngsters set in the urban cape of Mumbai. Amy, Dash, Casey, Zubin and Tanya. Young, intelligent, good-looking and cool. With no hang-ups and no boundaries, excitement is what they seek till a moment changes everything. An accident and the actions to cover up lead them through a series of incidents across the roads, streets and the bylanes of Mumbai, and bring them face to face with the dark side that lurks within us, the Shaitan. Inspector Mathur, entrusted with the unenviable task of chasing the youngsters down, exposes the underbelly of the police system and crime while grappling with his inner Shaitan. The confluence of the two big sides brings across the ultimate explosion of action, drama and thrill on Indian screens that are best described as real and raw. So let's hope Shaitan turns out to be successful at the box office after all this drama. This is a preview by Sandeep Kumar for Rajshri.com.